Hello, ma'am. Myself, V. Pranavi. Ma'am, I'm here to say a big thanks to you, ma'am, from bottom of my heart. Ma'am, I really feel like being with you and celebrating the moment, but the present situation is demanding me to say my feelings through online. Ma'am, I'm actually very much afraid of chemistry, so I thought I could learn something without any fear after coming into this sentence college. But when college declared that this year the classes are going to be held online, so I was like, oh my god, what's this? But ma'am, I got a new hope when you took our class for the very first time. Seriously, ma'am, to be honest, I really went mad of your teaching. I never felt that you are taking online classes to us. The way you teach on whiteboard through online made everyone understand more better, ma'am. And ma'am, the way you teach by taking live examples is really awesome, ma'am. And that we couldn't forget the topic in our life and we could remember that forever. So, ma'am, I would like to share one of my experience that why I liked and why I loved your teaching that much and why I went mad the very first day itself. So, ma'am, what happened is in the very first class, I opened the link which you shared in the Gmeet chat box, and the class has been started, and the class is going on, and I felt like it would be like uh, regular YouTube classes and all. So I kept class on, and I was thinking something else. So at some point, I heard your voice, ma'am, saying, "Don't look here and there, ma'am, just concentrate on the whiteboard." Then I was like shivering, and I thought my video was opened and you catched me out and you will be scolding me now. So when I went back to the Gmeet and checked my video, it was off. Then I went to the YouTube class. I did just 20 seconds back and I watched that video again. Then in the middle, you said that don't look here and there, ma, just concentrate on the whiteboard. Then I was like, oh my god. Then I felt so happy that you are trying to grab our attention towards you even in online classes. So, this is the reason why I literally went mad and loved your teaching. Ma'am, one last word for you. You are such a sweet, kind, and caring person, ma'am. I feel like no lecturer can replace you in my career, ma'am. You are so sweet, ma'am. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you once again, ma'am. Bye.
Hello, my name is Zoha Sheikh and I'm from Nutrition second year. I've been a student of Afia Ma'am for almost 2 years. Ma'am explained chemistry via YouTube this semester and the previous semester because of the COVID-19 pandemic. It was really hard for all of us. But Ma'am's videos really were very easy to understand and she explained it bit by bit very easily, and it's been an honor to study under Ma'am because she really makes chemistry very enjoyable and very easy to understand. And YouTube, it's a really good way of teaching via that because sometimes when you're in Google Meet, you might get exited from the class or mic problems, etc., and all these connectivity issues. But YouTube is a really great platform to study on, and during exam seasons, we can just come back to the video and watch it over again and understand everything. And Ma'am taught us via a whiteboard, which gave me a feeling of being in a classroom while studying because I really missed that. And instead of screen sharing all of it, it was really nice and a very enjoyable experience. Moreover, Ma'am's editing skills were really commendable.
I am Shruti, a first year GCM student. The pandemic has been hard on each and every one of us. The times are tough, but we are tougher. So I would like to take a moment to thank one such tough person who amidst this time has given her best for making us understand the concepts. Yes, she's our Afia ma'am. Ma'am, you've made the toughest sounding topic seem simpler and easier by writing down each and every point, even the minute point on the board, constantly asking us to refer back to the notes then and there, and making videos on it, practical videos on it, and constantly asking us if we understood or not. Though the classes were virtual, it never felt like that because you always kept us interacting and engaged. Now that I look back, I can confidently say that I've learned something, though virtually, but with a better understanding. Thank you very much, ma'am.
I remember when I was leaving the college in March, I was expecting another beautiful day in my college. But when I came to know about the lockdown, I was really worried. My name is Nageen Fatima and I am from NTZ. One day I received a message which says that there are online classes conducted by my college. I was really excited. It is an all new experience for all of us, where all the lecturers were conducting the classes through Google Meet. My dear Afia ma'am came up with the idea of taking classes on YouTube. All of us were surprised at first, but the experience was too good. I really appreciate ma'am for taking such decision which helped all of us understand the classes easily. Thank you so much ma'am for your great efforts and hard work. You are just irreplaceable. You're the spark, the inspiration, the guide, the candle of my life. I just hope we can have you in the final year also. You're the best. Thank you.
This right here is Afia ma'am, one of the best teachers I've had the privilege and honor of knowing in my life. Not only is ma'am one of the most immaculate teachers, but is also very warm-hearted, amiable, and very welcoming. I've never physically met ma'am, but the things I've heard from my friends is more than enough for me to be excited to meet her. Ma'am's method of teaching is unrivaled and remarkable. This is one of the classes I really look forward to. There's just something about ma'am's teaching that makes the subject so out of this world. I personally love writing the exams. It actually gets me very excited. You can imagine the flawless lessons that make someone excited for writing exams. That is truly awe-inspiring. Thank you, ma'am, for being a sensational and a phenomenal teacher. I hope to be a student you are proud of in the years to come, and I really wish I could meet you.
Everyone, this is Ritika, student of Afia ma'am. I think you all are aware of Afia ma'am on our channel, right? So she is one of the lovable ma'ams we ever have. Actually, I find chemistry the very difficult subject to understand, but she made it very easy through her videos, and each and every topic is easily comprehensible and the language used is very simple. Anyone who saw her videos will definitely agree with me. And finally, thank you ma'am for posting such an informative videos. I'm looking forward to watching more of such videos.
Hello ma'am, I'm Meghna of NCZ of second year. Ma'am, honestly you were an amazing ma'am, and when it comes to physical chemistry, which is supposed to be the hardest part, and you just make it very easy for us. First year you have been exceptionally amazing ma'am, and then in second year with this lockdown and the pandemic around, I was scared how chemistry classes are going to turn out to be, especially it's an online platform. But then you have brought in YouTube videos which were just amazing, literally ma'am. Physical chemistry is something where you don't understand half the thing, but when it's you, we get each and every point, and we usually don't even get the doubts. That's how amazingly you explain it ma'am, and I have no words to say except just thanking you. You are really the best ma'am, and thank you from the bottom of my heart for giving us the best classes ever. Thank you ma'am.
So I, Mani, and Sujina here to give our feedback about our classes on YouTube, like by Yafyama. I need to tell I'm really happy because of this method of studying. It's been months. Like back then, when I was joined in December, I was really late and I was really frightened how to cope up with the syllabus because I can only copy the notes from the classmates, but I just can't understand anything because almost been months I studied from NEET and from like that. So I was like thinking how to study, and this method of studying was really helpful for me. Writing down notes and again looking back to the video and again learning. So that was really helpful. So my friend Sujin also wanted to tell something. Yeah, here it is.
Hi all, this is Sujin. I'm here to give a review about Afia Man's classes that she's taking using platform YouTube. So I personally had a lot of gap in my academics and I was so scared of chemistry, and it was mandatory that I had to take chemistry. And ma'am was a savior. Like her videos, she made it very easy to learn, and I could make notes out of it. Like whenever I had doubts, I could go back and then like rewind the video and just go through it once again. So she made it a lot easier. She is a savior. Like I just can't express.
And it's like this, like looking back to the notes, like going back to the video, writing the notes, and again studying. Like it really helped me from like studying in the sem because it was very new when I joined in the college. I can barely tell it really helped for me and first sem and second sem also. Like when ma'am told her experience like behind the scenes during the chemistry practical, like during the lab the first day, I was like, it's really hard for ma'am to shoot, like pause, play, rub everything, and getting ready in this COVID time. It was really so nice. Like we felt it is so special, and with that ma'am, with ma'am smile and calling our kids children and waiting for us, we don't feel like it is we are looking from a YouTube channel. We feel like it is directly a classroom. Also we are not interacting directly, but the ma'am pauses a minute, like when we are writing, and then
Yeah, I accept with that completely. Like, ma'am is really friendly in person too. I had this honor of meeting her in the college. She always has that smile, and she carries a positive energy wherever she goes. And the effort, the amount of effort she takes to make these videos, edit it, and upload it only so that it is easier for us to understand. That is commendable, ma'am. We are so thankful to you. We all love you.
Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing fine. My name is Tanisha Mantri. I am pursuing my BSc in Biotechnology at St. Anne's College for Women, Mehendipatnam. So this video is regarding my experience with Afia ma'am's teaching during pandemic through online platform. First of all, ma'am, you are really an excellent lecturer with great patience and a kind heart. And honestly, I'm not telling you this because just to impress you, but honestly, I think about you in this way. And when it comes to classes with Afia ma'am, they have always been worthwhile, whether it's online or offline. After attending Afia ma'am's class, you'll feel like, why was I so tensed about this topic? This is so simple. So ma'am breaks down things to make it look like so understandable and simple. So student doesn't get much stressed about the like studying. I have tomorrow exam and I have to study physical chemistry. Wow, this is so tough. So if you attend one class, I can assure you that you'll understand everything clearly. As you all know, during this pandemic, how bad the situations were, and college weren't supporting the offline platform for the safety of students and teachers. So college decided to go through the online platform for teaching. So this time, ma'am has really done a great work, and she was doing so much of hard work just for us students. She created a great content for us. She really recorded videos to upload it on YouTube just for us so that we don't miss any lectures due to any reasons. I was so comfortable with YouTube when compared to Google Meet, because sometimes there was this situation where I didn't get a chance to attend online classes because of network issues and some other reasons. But when ma'am started uploading lectures on YouTube, it was very comfortable. So whenever I missed a class, I just go to YouTube, I go through those lectures, and I'll just note down every point so that I don't miss anything. YouTube content was really helpful even during exam times, because sometimes what happens is that we note down the things, but at sometimes we forget why did we write it like this, why did ma'am explain it like this. So we just went through the videos again and again. So the concept was really clear. We got a chance to listen to the lecture twice and thrice, so the concept was very clear to us. Thankful ma'am that you came up with such a thoughtful idea of teaching students, because we were very comfortable with your classes, with your teaching, and really have a great patience ma'am. We can see that how much hard work you have done just for us. Creating content and uploading it on YouTube is not that easy, to be honest. It requires a lot of patience and hard work. We have to edit it, we have to cut it, we have to if there is something wrong, we have to shoot it again. I know there is a lot of hard work behind it, and I'm really thankful ma'am that you have done a lot of work just for us ma'am. And I'm very proud that I'm one of your students, and I'm really happy that I got a chance to learn from you once again, and it was a really great experience with you ma'am. Thank you so much.
Here is a small feedback greeting to the most energetic Afia ma'am. My name is Likita and I'm from NCA. Chemistry is related to me. I'm related to chemistry, but I don't know chemistry. Chemistry don't know me. But finally, after so many years, we got to know each other because of you, ma'am. As we all know, this is the pandemic era we are living in. I felt very happy and excited when I got a message which says that there are online classes conducted by college, and this online classes is the only best way to learn during this period. My beautiful Afia ma'am came up not with a Google Meet but with a YouTube channel. You are an excellent teacher ever. You provide us a great mixture of listening, speaking, practical learning, and also supportive learning environment too. Your manner of teaching is so wonderful and refreshing, ma'am. You really know how to motivate us. The language which you use is so simple and easy. I understand each and every topic, ma'am. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your dedication and hard work. Looking forward for more such amazing classes. You don't just teach, you inspire us, ma'am.
So, I Swaranji, and I'm here to tell my experiences and feedback on Afia ma'am's teaching through online platform. Thank you, ma'am, for being such a wonderful teacher to us. I always remember you with the deep respect and affection to your efforts in making each lesson enjoyable and educational. Thank you for being the best teacher a student could ever hope, ma'am. Yes, you are the best teacher I believe in. People are really scared about chemistry. Even I'm actually worried, like, how do I get through this chemistry? And it has become a compulsory or the core subject in our degree. So yes, I'm thankful for you to make the subject really, really easy and interesting to us. Now we love chemistry. We are not scared about chemistry, but we love chemistry right now. Yes, you made the subject as very interesting. It was not at all hard. Now the subject has become really easy to learn and study, ma'am. The efforts you put on making single video feels so relaxing, so good, ma'am, when we hear to it. So nice. Videos we see on a virtual platform also doesn't seem so virtual, ma'am. It feels so real, like we are in a class and you're teaching us. It feels so good, ma'am, with your teaching. It feels so interesting. You stop a video for a minute and just pose a question and ask us to reply in the chat box. It feels very, very interesting, very, very excited to answer those. It feels so good, ma'am. We enjoy your teaching. We enjoy every part of yours, ma'am. You're really good, ma'am. We feel so thankful to get a teacher like you. And your efforts had made us really a better person in this subject. I'm really thankful to this, ma'am. These are my personal experiences I have seen. I have gone through these. And even for a practical class, it's so hard to teach online. And yes, you made it really easy, ma'am. So thankful to you. We all love you, ma'am. We all love you so much.
Hello guys, this is Ashani Sarkar and I'm studying in St. Anne's College for Women. So this is a feedback cum recommendation video. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about a YouTube channel which is run by Mary Afia. Afia ma'am is one of our leading chemistry professors in our institute. She's one of my favorite teacher of all times, and she teaches exceptionally good and with innovative methods such as PPTs, whiteboard. I really like the whiteboard method of teaching because it reminds us of our physical classes. Being in the current conditions, we miss our offline classes and mainly depend on online ones. So when we watch her videos, for me, it feels like we are sitting in our class. Secondly, about the subject. She mainly teaches us physical chemistry, but if you clearly search throughout her channel, you can find many examination tips, practical classes, our memories and experiences, Viva lessons, etc. etc. There are huge number of videos to check out and learn. So what are you waiting for? Just type Mary Afia and that's it. Learn, earn and grow. Thank you and have a nice night.
Hello everyone, I'm Ashrafeen and I'm first year GCM student. So I wanna give my honest feedback and my honest review on physical chemistry lecture. So first of all, as we all know, it's not been easy for us to handle online classes, online lectures. This stuff is not really easy because we are used to the campus study environment and we don't have the same environment at our homes. So it's not an easy thing for us to concentrate on online lectures and not easy for our lecturers to explain. And apart from this, when it comes to physical chemistry, this was a really challenging subject for me at the beginning because it had two heavy names, two heavy subjects called physics and chemistry. So I thought that was my weak point. So I thought I could not cope up, especially when it's online. I won't understand and stuff. But thanks to our physical chemistry faculty, that's our Afia ma'am. So thank you, Afia ma'am, for making everything really easy for us. I think you have done a great job. The way you explain, the way you teach us, the friendly manner you use for your explanation is just what I love about you. The way you teach does not make us feel bored. Even though it's online session, it does not make us feel bored, or it does not give us a feeling that we are at home and we are listening to your lectures. It gives us a feeling of we are not at home and we are in front of you, you are right in front of us and you are teaching us. So yeah, thank you for that. So one best thing that I like about her subject, one best thing about that I really love about physical chemistry is that it's conducted on YouTube. Ma'am uploads her videos on YouTube. So this is the best part I think I like about physical chemistry, because whenever you make your notes and later on when you want to revise everything and you get a lot of doubts or plenty of doubts and you just cannot do anything at that time, you're gonna go disturb your friends or you're gonna text your teacher, but since it's everything on YouTube, so whenever you have a doubt you can just go back, rewind and play your video back. So that's really as simple as that. In fact, I would recommend entire faculty to use YouTube instead of live sessions like Meet and Zoom, because one moment if you turn your eyes or if you move away from your chair for some or the other reason for just a minute, and you're going to lose the rest of the lecture, which is not the case when you use YouTube, because you can anytime you can rewind your video, you can rewatch everything and you can make everything from the start, unlike on Google Meet and Zoom. So yeah, I think this is one best part that I like. And apart from this, physical chemistry is unique for me because physical chemistry lecturer Afia ma'am, she is really so sweet at her explanations, because she uses practical examples while she explains. She first of all, physical chemistry is not an easy subject. It's a tough subject, but she made it easy for us. I could say that because her way of explanation, her way of teaching, and the way she smiles, and the friendly way of explanation. That environment, she creates an environment uh, for the chemistry lecture. So that's something I really like about her. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, this is Sahiti. I hope you are being safe and staying healthy. I want to say that I am very grateful to you for choosing this way of online mode of teaching, because during online classes it is very difficult for us to focus first of all, because during online classes we may have network issues at the teacher's place or at our place also, and sometimes we may have power cut also. Because of that we may miss the part of the teaching which is being taught, which makes us to lose entire focus on the topic and we cannot concentrate on it also. But ma'am, you have came up with a great idea, which is YouTube videos. Because of it we can watch anytime and rewind it again and watch it again. And the videos are of best quality, which makes us to understand the topic very well, and we can make a well prepared summarized notes. And during exams also it's very helpful to us. Even though we prepare notes also, sometimes we may lose the book, but also the topic is still there in the YouTube and we can go and watch it again. I'm very thankful to you ma'am by taking this method, because it's not that easy, and also we are very grateful to you ma'am. Thanks for choosing this method, and I love this way of teaching ma'am. Thank you.
Afia ma'am is one of the best teachers I have ever known. Let's learn chemistry with Afia ma'am. Her channel is amazing as she is, because trust me, she puts a lot of hard work into it. Whatever she does, she puts a lot of hard work into it. And once you watch her YouTube videos, it's so easy to understand, and she makes the subject so interesting that during this pandemic, where we students were not even used to online classes, and it was difficult for us to just get into it, she made it absolutely easy for us. Because even when you watch her videos sitting in home, it feels as if we are just in the class, and we are seeing her and we are watching her, and whatever she speaks, the best part is, I love especially this thing, that whatever she speaks, it's there in the board. So it's so easy for us to even maintain notes, like literally everything, and it puts a lot of hard work for a teacher to just write everything in board, make a video, and then again rub it, and then continue the lesson, continue the notes in the board, and then again rub it. Like, I'm amazed. And not even in teaching, but also not only in teaching, but also her friendly nature, her motherly figure makes me feel that she's my best friend actually, because I have been always so open out to her. And the best part about her YouTube videos is that once you watch it, she already knows that, okay, my student might get this doubt, my student might get that doubt, and she already clears it. And even if you have any doubt, you just put into the comment section and she replies it soon. So it's amazing that she is so hardworking, and she's so stunning. Like, literally, I wouldn't have imagined such a better thing for my chemistry subject, because chemistry is something which I have always been struggling about, but she made it so easy. Like, whatever she speaks, it's there in the board. That is the best part. I'm saying it again because I love it. My chemistry notes are maintained so properly because of her, and these YouTube videos made it very easy. There's a small practical session also where I have been meeting her during the offline classes in my college, and it was amazing to meet her in front, to know her, and the way she also did. I'm not telling this only about online but also about offline, because she is excellent in both the ways. Even during online, so she is doing amazing job, but during offline also, she literally showed each and every step about an experiment which we were performing, like each and every step, and she was never tired to clear our doubts there also. And that was also interesting, that she was giving each and every student a chance. So here is a small glimpse about that.
Carbonate. Yes. So you get a white color precipitate. Yeah, you can add more. Okay. So formation of barium carbonate with barium chloride. This is the second confirmatory test.
She's lovely, she's amazing, and I have personally experienced this. I have met her personally. I know many of you guys, you couldn't meet her, but I have met her personally, and I can say that I'm lucky to be her student. And I just request you all guys that please go to her channel, Meri Afia, and you just have to go there and you just have to subscribe her channel and just watch whatever videos you want. You can watch any videos you want, whatever doubts you want, you can put your doubts in the comment section, and whatever videos regarding whatever topic you need, you'll get there, and it will be easy for you guys to understand everything. And I'm sure you guys will be amazed at how well she teaches us, and she is not even boring. Not at all, I wouldn't even use that word, but she's not at all boring. She makes it interesting. So I would just like to tell you guys that please do subscribe, like and comment, and this is the minimum thing we can do for her because she deserves it even more than this. So I would just request you all that please do subscribe her channel. And Afia ma'am, thank you so much for everything, because I'm the luckiest one actually that I have been met you, and you are my teacher, you are my mentor, you are my motherly figure, and you are my best friend. So thank you so much, Afia ma'am. And yeah guys, please do subscribe her channel. Thank you.